Are you ready to elevate your typing experience to a whole new level? If you think all keyboards are created equal, think again. Today, we're diving into the world of mechanical keyboards, where every keystroke matters. The MSI Viger JK710RC is a full-sized mechanical keyboard designed for gamers who need speed and sensitivity. With its exclusive MSI Sonic Red switches, the keyboard provides an ultralight 35-gram actuation force, allowing rapid and precise keystrokes ideal for fast-paced gaming. The keyboard includes a per-key RGB lighting system and a sleek aluminum alloy top plate, giving it a sturdy, polished look. It also has an ergonomic wrist rest made of memory foam, enhancing comfort during extended gaming sessions. On the downside, some users may find the keys too light for typing, as accidental presses are more likely with this low actuation force. The volume wheel, though conveniently placed and dual functional, has been noted to feel slightly loose, which might impact its long-term durability. Overall, this model offers a lightweight, responsive performance perfect for gaming, but might feel too sensitive for everyday typing. Make sure to check out the links in the description to grab any of these keyboards on Amazon. The Logitech G515 Lightspeed is a low-profile, 10-keyless mechanical keyboard, ideal for gamers who want a compact, wireless option. Featuring Logitech's Lightspeed technology, it provides low latency, reliable wireless connectivity, and is compatible via USB or Bluetooth for versatile use. The tactile GL mechanical switches provide a responsive, quiet typing experience, making this a versatile option for both gaming and productivity. The durable PBT keycaps are also designed to endure heavy usage without wear. However, this keyboard does come with a few drawbacks. Unlike some other gaming models, it lacks dedicated media keys, which are instead available through function shortcuts. This can be inconvenient for quick adjustments during intense gaming sessions. Additionally, while it boasts decent battery life, RGB lighting can reduce battery longevity, potentially requiring weekly recharging for heavy users. Overall, this model combines a sleek, gamer-friendly design with solid performance features. Its minimalist, durable design and customizable RGB lighting make it a good option for both gaming and professional settings. If you love tech reviews and want to stay updated on the latest gear, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. The HyperX Alloy Rise is a full-size mechanical keyboard designed for high customization and gaming performance. It uses HyperX's pre-lubed red linear switches for smooth, responsive keystrokes, and features a gasket-mounted build to enhance comfort and stability. Unique among gaming keyboards, it includes an ambient light sensor that adjusts RGB lighting based on room conditions. This model also offers hot swappable switches, making it easy to customize switch types without additional tools. On the other hand, the accompanying Ingenuity software for customization is straightforward but offers limited features, which may feel insufficient for users accustomed to more comprehensive gaming software. Additionally, its full-size layout may not suit users who prefer more compact setups for desk space or broad mouse sweeps. In summary, this model is a premium, customizable gaming keyboard that suits enthusiasts looking for both style and performance. Interested? What do you think makes a mechanical keyboard great? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. The Redragon K671 Sindri is a budget-friendly, full-size mechanical keyboard that includes many features typically found in higher-end models. Equipped with linear red switches, it offers a smooth, low-resistance typing experience, ideal for gaming sessions that require rapid key presses. Notably, the keyboard is hot swappable, allowing you to replace switches without the need for soldering, making customization easier for users who want to experiment with different tactile experiences. It also comes with vibrant RGB lighting and 11 unique backlighting modes that can be adjusted for brightness and speed. However, while this keyboard offers a lot for its price, it may lack the refinement of higher-end models. Its spill-resistant design and rugged PBT keycaps are welcome, but the plastic build and basic RGB software might feel limited for enthusiasts looking for deeper customization. The lack of a detachable cable could also be a minor inconvenience for portability. Overall, this model is a great choice for budget-conscious gamers seeking a customizable mechanical keyboard with solid performance features. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, give it a thumbs up. The Corsair K70 Core RGB is a premium mechanical gaming keyboard designed to combine aesthetics with high performance. It uses Corsair's MLX red linear switches, which are pre-lubricated to ensure smooth keystrokes, ideal for gaming and rapid typing. These switches are paired with dual-layer sound dampening foam to minimize noise, enhancing the overall typing experience. The keyboard also includes a detachable magnetic palm rest for added comfort during long gaming sessions and customizable RGB backlighting, all controlled through the Corsair iQ software. On the downside, this model has a fixed USB cable instead of a detachable one, which may impact long-term durability. Additionally, it lacks Corsair's high-end Axon technology, meaning its polling rate is standard at 1000 Hz. Some users also report issues with the iQ software, which can be buggy and occasionally crashes, affecting customization options. In summary, this model provides a solid blend of quality construction, smooth key switches, and extensive RGB customization options. It's a versatile choice for gamers and professionals alike. Check out the Amazon link in the description for more information and pricing. The Keychron V1 Max is a customizable, compact 75% keyboard that combines excellent features with value pricing. Equipped with Keychron's signature Gateron Jupiter switches, the keyboard offers a choice between linear and tactile options for smooth key presses and a decent tactile feel. Its gasket-mounted design, paired with the sound dampening foam, provides a flexible and quieter typing experience compared to tray-mounted alternatives. This model also includes double-shot PBT keycaps for durability and a rotary knob that enhances functionality by controlling volume and more. However, the keyboard's ABS plastic body and lighter build quality could feel less premium compared to some metal frame models, which may also impact durability slightly. Additionally, while the keycaps are sturdy, they might lack the thickness and density of high-end PBT sets. Some users have noted minor stabilizer rattle, though this can be improved with additional lubrication if desired. For those looking for a feature-rich yet affordable mechanical keyboard, this model delivers great functionality in a compact design, ideal for both work and play. Remember, you can find all the links to these amazing keyboards in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.